in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, Allen Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Glenmora to Longville, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chautauqua, Dry Creek, Cheneville, Turkey Creek, Bayou Chico, Oakdale, Durald, St. Landry, Glenmora, Allen Parish Airport, Forest Hill, Sugartown, Beaver, Union Hill, Grant, Longville, Harmony, Chico State Park, Elizabeth, and Pitkin. Remain alert for quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for central, southwestern and west central Louisiana,